Hi everybody, this is Wasilik, your broker at the Real Estate Star. Happy New Year, it's 2022, and everybody, not just in real estate, they're setting up their goals for 2022, and somewhere around January or February, if it starts getting hard, a lot of people drop out. Just like at the gym, you go to the gym now, it's packed. Once you sign up for the contract, you wait till January, the end of January or February, and a lot of people start fading out and getting out of the gym. But in real estate, it's your own business, right? So setting up your goals in the beginning or even at the end of every year is really important. So I have a goal setting workshop coming up this January, and I have a branding workshop. So everybody's invited. Whether you're a real estate store agent or just an agent at another company, it's free to come. I've been doing this for about 33 years, and I'm not the smartest guy in the room, but I learned a lot of stuff when it comes to goal setting and taking my business to the next level. So I invite everybody, even if you're just thinking about getting into real estate, it's an hour and a half of your time, and I'll show you all the stuff that I've learned to get me to the next level and stay in this business for over 33 years. Hope to see you at the workshop. Any questions, give me a call, and down below I'll put the connection on where to sign up because you have to register. All right, so have a great 2022, and I hope I see you at this workshop. All right, see you soon.